Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold price forecast upside attempts above $1,800 to remain elusive ahead of US CPI. http ntvforex.com News ID A1E946 7/14/2024 05:21 AM. Risk off action in global stocks boosts the dollar's haven demand. Coronavirus fears and US-China woes cushion gold's downside. Bearish bias to persist ahead of the US CPI, COVID-19 stats. Gold XAU/USD closed below $1,800 mark for the second straight day on Monday following a wild ride witnessed in the US last session. The bright metal fell under the latter from as high as $1,813 levels after the US dollar bounced back across the board amid a flight to safety. The U.S. stocks were sold off into the growing coronavirus risks after California reimposed on businesses and public spaces amid a spike of coronavirus infections. Further, souring diplomatic U.S.-China ties over the Hong Kong and South China Sea issues also weighed on the risk appetite and boosted the haven demand for the U.S. currency. This, in turn, made the USD-denominated gold expensive in other currencies. Gold is likely to remain pressured in the day ahead, as the greenback will continue to benefit from broad risk aversion. The focus shifts towards the critical U.S. Consumer Price Index CPI release, due later today at 12:30 GMT. The US CPI is seen higher at 0.6% in June YoY versus 0.1% last, while the core figure is seen a tad lower at 1.1% last month. The monthly rate is expected to rebound 0.5% in June, while the core inflation is seen at 0.1%. Any disappointment in the U.S. inflation numbers combined with fresh COVID-19 stats could help cushion the downside in gold. Short-term technical outlook. Gold 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, the sentiment has turned bearish for the bright metal, after the price slipped back below the 21/4H simple moving average SMA at $1,803.87 while trading within a symmetrical triangle formation. The 4H Relative Strength Index RSI has pierced through the midline from above, backing the near-term downside bias. The immediate support is seen at the rising trend line support at $1,795.13, below which the pattern will get validated. The next support is aligned at the upward sloping 54H SMA at $1792.15. Acceptance below the latter will open floors towards the 104H SMA support at $1,779.50. The pattern target is seen at $1,769, which will be on the seller's radars in the coming days. Alternatively, only a break above the aforesaid 21/4H SMA support turned resistance will revive the recent bullish momentum, which could see the bulls test the falling trend line resistance near $1,813. That level coincides with Monday's high. Gold additional levels to consider. XAU/USD. Overview. Today last price point 1797.6. Today daily change 4.93. Today daily change percent 0.27. Today daily open point 1802.83. Trends. Daily SMA 20.17 70.58. Daily SMA 50.17 39.9. Daily SMA 100.16 89.69. Daily SMA 200.16 02.44. Levels. Previous daily high point 1813.54. Previous daily low point 1798.14. Previous weekly high point 1818.17. Previous weekly low point 1770.16. Previous monthly high point 1785.91. Previous monthly low point 1670.76. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 1807.66. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 1804.02. Daily pivot point S 1.1796.13. Daily pivot point S 2.1789.44. Daily pivot point S 3.1780.73. Daily pivot point R 1.1811.53. Daily pivot point R 2.1820.24. Daily pivot point R 3.1826.93. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.